adventures. As long as we're together, he's happy. Doesn't really care where we go. So so May and David are two of our friends who we've had the wonderful opportunity to watch their relationship from start to where they are now, which is pretty newlyweds. They're still in their first year. It hasn't been a year yet, right?
It'll be a year until June.
June or July. If it wasn't for them, we wouldn't go on most, if not all, of the crazy adventures that we have gone on so far. So we've been to Mount Storm King, which is where David proposed to May at the top of the mountain.
Mount St. Helens.
Oh, excuse me. Mount St. Helens is where David proposed, and yeah, that was one of the hardest things I've ever done in my life. And I was about ready to give up, and May had already made it to the top, and David said that I had to make it to the top so I could take pictures, because he was going to propose to her at the top of the mountain. And that just gave me that boost of energy that I needed to make it up. And we got some beautiful pictures. I'll show those here. And then they got married at Mount Storm King, which was another fun hike. Nowhere near as difficult as St. Helens, but it still was its own challenge. It's quite the adventure, but it was a beautiful wedding. What are you doing in there? We're camping in our truck. My friends are way down there where that spot is. That's bright. I'll join them after this air mattress goes up and I get my bed ready. Good morning. So we are still out camping, and this is our backyard today. And yeah, so we're gonna go to another campsite, but I just wanted to capture this beautiful scenery because it is gorgeous out here. Even though it's rainy, it's beautiful. Steven didn't bring his phone with him, and David's not answering his phone. And we just don't know right now. She's trying again.
Oh, blue helmet.
You see what? Blue helmet?
Yeah.
Where? Hey, okay. I think we found them. That looks like my husband. We found you. Hey. So I just want to do a quick update. We are back home. We left, the guys got to get some rock climbing in, and it was a good time. We really enjoyed ourselves, and then on our way back home we stopped in Seattle and went to No Bones Beach Club, which is a delicious vegan restaurant, and it's starting to become a little bit of a ritual to stop there after we've gone camping. But yeah, it was a success, and we had a great time, and now we are home, and it's time to pick up and put all of our things away and take showers and relax, and I am so ready. I think we probably all feel the same way, but it was a great time, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, we will see you soon. Take care.